What's the meaning of alluring? Alluring. 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 Alluring.
The word alluring describes something that is highly attractive or tempting, captivating one's attention and arousing desire. It can refer to a wide range of things, from physical beauty to persuasive speech, enticing advertisements, or mesmerizing music. An alluring person or object has the power to captivate others and draw them in, often with an irresistible charm or magnetic charisma. Whether it's the allure of fame, fortune, or romance, the pull of something alluring can be hard to resist, leading people to take risks or make impulsive decisions in pursuit of their desires.